It's been a week since the Sewol-ho, which sank and took hundreds of lives in 2014, arrived at its final destination of Mokpo New Port. But it's still unclear when exactly the vessel will be moved onto land so it can be searched and inspected. To get the job done, additional wheeled platforms are to be deployed to support the extremely heavy ferry while it's transferred. Kim Min-ji zooms in on the adjustments being made.
A total of 600 wheel platform vehicles or modular transporters will be deployed to transfer the Sewol-ho ferry to land. That's 120 extra modular transporters on top of the original 480 that were planned. The addition comes after officials concluded that the initial number would be unable to support the weight of the vessel, currently estimated at 16,000 tons. The government first said the ship weighed around 13,500 tons, but has since revised the figure due to the water and mud inside the vessel.
We are in the process of extending the length of the lifting beams holding up the Sewol-ho by attaching metal plates, especially ones where the bulk of the ship's weight will be. In this way, the transporters can be put under it.
Officials say the chances of success are higher because the weight of the vessel will be distributed over a larger area. Operations to adjust the height and placements of the modular transporters will be carried out so they evenly meet the lifting beams that are holding up the ship. So far, 2 test attempts have been made to lift the ferry, but have borne little fruit, with parts of the ferry not moving at all. The delay in the land transfer also postpones the in-vessel search for the 9 missing passengers. To save time, workers have begun an inspection of the ferry so they can map out how best to get inside. The passing time also raises concerns about corrosion. It's been more than 2 weeks since the ferry was raised from the sea, and the internal parts withstanding water could cause problems.
With seawater still inside the vessel, work will be needed to reduce the salt concentration. The parts of the vessel that were deeply submerged in seawater will corrode faster, as the concentration of oxygen was smaller, but now that it's out of water, it inevitably meets the air.
Experts say it's important to dilute the salty water before the search takes place. And on top of that, the internal structure of the ship may be fragile, especially in the areas where the weight is concentrated. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News, Mokpo.